The common wisdom is that we go from a sketch to a painting. Very straightforward. But in certain situations, if you develop that idea a little further using 3D software, it changes all the rules. The potential is enormous, but it's hard to learn because most resources are for other disciplines. And I've spent the better part of a decade teaching myself 3D, and what this collection represents is just the short version. The stuff I wish someone had just sat me down and told me way back then. We start with what's possible if you just spent a little bit of time using 3D. If you see value in that, part 2 shows the bigger picture, allowing the render engine to really work for you, saving time in the Paintover process. Maybe then you're convinced to get a little bit better at modeling. And once your models are better, well, then you're probably going to want to do a little bit of texturing. Combine these skills with an eye for reuse, and now you're going to be designing huge modular spaces. And finally, I'll put it all together for a comprehensive illustration demo. 3D doesn't replace your need to paint, but it sure empowers your options. And now that the software is free, what are you waiting for? The 3D Paintover Starter Kit is available today.